Of the day. Escalation clause. Escalation clause allows the lender to increase the interest rate based on late payments, right? This is usually seen a lot on credit cards and not so much in a mortgage, right? Credit cards, hey, 0% interest rate. Go ahead and bring everything over. Go ahead and be late one day. The following month, 27% interest rate. This is seen a lot on credit cards. However, you can see it on a loan for your property as well. It's also used because you did not use the property for what it was intended to. Let's say you were supposed to use it as a single family and you gut it out and you turn it into an apartment complex, completely illegal. They have the right to come in and say, you're messing up our property because it's ours just as much as yours, and therefore we're going to change the interest rate. That is the definition of an escalation clause, also known as an elevator clause. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session for the sales or broker state test, go ahead and pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time.